All right, so here I am. It's June 5th. I'm taking them orange shovels back that I borrowed from the Kentucky Department of Forestry. And man, I hope I don't ever see one of them again. That whole Project 211, the first year we did like 22 acres by hand, and this is like one of the worst parts of the job. This is one little spot that I forgot to bush hog. But I did run the ATV sprayer, so I kind of have lanes. Me and Mrs. Kapper are working on this. I'm pretty much doing all the work. She's pretty much here for moral support, right? She's nodding in disbelief. But there you can see there's one of our guys, there's another one of the guys. We are making really good progress. Really good for doing this all by hand right now. This year, well, I just got to ride the tractor, but the guys had to use these orange shovels again, so be glad to get rid of them and hopefully never see them again. I'm not sure I'd ever do a big tree planting like that anymore. Yep, my days of these tree planting projects where there's hundreds of thousands of trees are definitely done. Here's a quick look at the DNR in Kentucky, the forestry location where they plant all these super tiny trees. Uh-oh, today's May 25th. Oh boy, that's not good. They're all gone. Okay, here we are, the 23rd of May. And they're growing bigger. I know when they get certain size, if I ruffle the thing, they'll all start chirping and open their mouths. And I know they ain't flying yet. Somebody raided them. Doggone it. I don't think Mom could have moved them anywhere. Oh, let's see if there's any evidence here. I mean, if it was a coon, you know, this thing would be tore apart if a coon managed to get up here. I mean, unless that snake made its way up here. I mean, I don't know how a snake could climb straight up and down.
Yeah.
Oh boy, well that's the end of that one. Totally empty. I heard a lot of chirping last night going on. Maybe it was a weasel or something really small. Oh well, that's what happens when you're way out in the woods. Lots of predators. That's the end of that one. And here's the view from the hot tub. This is pretty sweet here. I get company. And here's a quick view of one of the local roads that I travel. Look at these bushes and trees. This is mowed every year. So you could see that because of the inordinate amount of rain, this stuff is 7-8 feet high, that the highway department's going to bush hog here before too long. And I checked back a few days later to see if Mom was going to lay another clutch of eggs or a different bird might use it. And so far it's been staying empty. Hey guys, Kapper here, and for those of you that have been following me regular, this is kind of a big day. I finally ordered something that it's gonna make life a lot nicer for me anyways on the Kapper Ranch, in the machines, even right here in my Ford truck. There's a little storage on the other side. It does fit the big one in there kind of loosely. Not quite as much storage as the Coyote. Take a look at this right here. Oh yeah, you know what this is? Oh, it's even got a little smiley face on the bottom. See that? This is gonna finally cure this. Look at that. And it's got these grip things that come out. See that? You spin it and they come out and they grip. Finally, I ordered 4 of these. And yes, I paid for them. For the Megatron 1, Megatron 2, the truck, and maybe the excavator. No, that one has a good one. Somewhere anyways, but this is going to make life a little easier, so I'm going to try this out right now. Right, I'm going to tell you what, that thing is just splendid. Oh, the Polaris is where I got the other one. You can get it really nice and snug in there. So not only does it hold down in the bottom with them rubber grips, but it holds this. And you can ask Clark, he rode around with me a few times. This thing kind of rolls everywhere. Not anymore. I'm all about solutions, baby. Good deal. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's what them Gobblers were strutting and gobbling. Boy, she really likes it around the house. Bug cleanup. Well, that's a Jake. Oh man, look at that. I can lay off the weed whacker now. Okay, you're gonna see some big toms here in a minute, and I can't tell if this is a Jake or a hen because I'm colorblind. But anyways, you're gonna see them right in the front lawn gobbling and fanning and strutting, and I think they're gobbling at this turkey right here. So just the other morning I hear gobbling right out in front, and I turn the camera on and these 2 big old toms are sitting there strutting, and I'm looking all over the yard and I can't find a hen. So I'm like, what are you guys strutting at? And then all of a sudden I get a glimpse of her like right on the porch right next to my front door. I'll see if I can show you that quick. So I couldn't find her anymore, but she was hanging around right next to the house. That's what these old boys were after.